one day a professor walked into the classroom and told his students, we're going to have a surprise exam. So all the students sat down and the professor started walking around the room, passing out the exams, putting them on the desk with text down. After he handed all those exams out, he told the students to turn the paper over. And as the students turned the paper over, all they saw was a black dot. They were puzzled, confused. So the professor told them this: I want you to write what you see on the paper. So he started writing. At the end of the class, the professor gathered all the exams up and he started reading them in front of the classroom. All of them explaining what they saw on that paper, all focusing on that black dot, explaining the position on that paper. After he was finished reading all those exams, he told the students this: I'm not going to grade you on this exam, but I wanted you to think about something. Not one wrote what was around the dot. No one wrote about the white paper. You all focused on the black dot. It's the same thing with our lives. See, when we focus on the black dots in our lives, for example, past failures, anger, resentment, health issues, lack of money, grief, it takes our eyes off the blessings and the good things in our lives. The more you dwell on the negative and the problems, the more garbage you allow in your mind. It's like opening up the front door, putting a sign in the front yard and saying garbage goes here. We all get discouraged and depressed. Life is tough. It puts a toll on us. Sometimes it knocks us down, but we can't stay down. Muhammad Ali said this: you don't lose if you get knocked down. You lose if you stay down. Your circumstances don't have you down. Your thoughts about your circumstances have you down. Thoughts determine your actions, your attitude, and your self-image. You can't be thinking negative all the time and have a happy life. Negative thinking will sap the energy and the strength out of it. It's time to start thinking about what you're thinking about. See, the dark spots are very small compared to everything that's happening in your life. The positive things, the good things, the blessings that are around you. But for some reason, we focus on the black dots, which pollutes our minds. You see, our life will move in the direction of our most dominant thoughts. I'll say it again. Our life will move in the direction of our most dominant thoughts. So today I challenge you, get your eyes off the dark spots, the negativity, the worries of this world, the past. You can't change the past. You can only change your tomorrow. You're somewhere in the future and you look much better than you look right now. Turn that frown upside down. Believe in yourself. Smile. Be contagious. Remember. Say yes to being positive. No to being negative. If you have something negative, try to cut yourself. Catch it. Shut your mouth. Think positive. And remember, you have something awesome to give to this world. This is Omegaman, and have a positive superhero day.